welcome back to the channel, All Things Baby Love. Now we're Reborn. So today, I got a package. So, let's open this bad boy up, see what's inside. Well, it's a Reborn, but. Max, stop.
Rylee, you could just do the scissors outwards. Like, look.
No.
It's easier. And then now you can just pull it.
Wait, it's not open. Guys, another box. I love how people do that. A box in a box. And we got paper.
No one cares about this.
Might be another box in a box.
Dang, this box is huge.
Okay. They have AK-17. I don't get what that's for.
I guess it's like the company name or something.
You can have that box, Max. Because he likes boxes.
Because I make stuff out of it.
No, you don't.
I try to.
You sit in them with a bunch of stuff in it. Sorry, my finger was in the way.
Shut up. Ooh. Hopefully you cut the baby.
Okay. So we got back on. I paused it right quick because she's taking a little long.
Ooh.
Hey, that looks the
Warning.
exact same kind of
hazard.
pink kind of box that. Okay, we're gonna pause it right quick so she can.
Okay, so this is the box, and
It's
now-
really cute. It doesn't remind me of the box. It reminds me of the boxes.
Ooh, you can see the baby kind of inside. But
Oh my gosh, yes you can.
oh my gosh, she's so cute, but she's so big.
I think that's her birth certificate.
NPK collection.
Let me see.
Pinky Reborn, I think. So
Yeah.
we're gonna
Oh, yeah,
get
it's her-
this bag off her head so she don't die. Guys,
It's her birth certificate.
oh, but guys, I have waited all day for this. But then I waited like an hour. Oh, they cool.
Oh, lucky.
I waited like an hour. I waited an hour
Wait,
just
is
to
that a
do
real
this video.
freaking bottle?
Oh, her hair is
It's
crazy.
curly.
crazy.
Gosh, it reminds me
They
so much
got
of
her
her
pacifier.
baby.
Eh.
It's caught in the thing, Rylee.
Okay, they got her pappy.
Ooh, let me see it. Let me hold it. Ah! Wait, where'd it go?
They got
Oh,
her
here it is.
teddy bear.
First, this is a really cute pacifier. It's a heart one.
Ooh, I like her little outfit with her diaper. They got the thing from the cover on her.
Our cute little headband.
Yes, I was looking for that.
We have our
Put it.
cute little teddy bear. It's a little wonky, but it's cute. It's got a cute little dress on. What's this?
This headband is too big for me.
I know, it's huge. What's this? Oh, wait, it's like one of those burp rags.
So look how cute she is. But guys, if you own a Reborn, write in the comments #Reborn. But if you don't, or know somebody that does, you can write #friend Reborn. #Reborn friend. Couldn't say that.
I can't tell if this is a sealed bottle.
Is something.
Why did you do that?
Dude!
To make sure.
That's nasty.
Oh,
I love
so
this.
cute. Okay, I'm trying to get this off of the.
It reminds me so much of a
microwave.
real baby bottle. Mine's just fake. Oh, she's
my
giving a thumbs up.
gosh. You can feel her fingers. It feels so real.
It's so squishy.
Okay, I'm taking this box somewhere if y'all can see this box.
Big box.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Now let's go.
Bye-bye,
I love this outfit.
Well, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And if you guys have not seen Kieran's Reborn opening, make sure you guys go check it out. Okay? All right. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Bye.